Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I have my Fawn Design diaper bag packed. It is the full size and the color is in the shade Bloom. Really pretty. The Fawn Design is a faux leather bag that can be carried multiple ways. So it has the attached backpack straps. These are not removable. And it also comes with a nice long strap to be carried over the shoulder or messenger style, and this one is removable. As you can see, the bag has 3 outside pockets and this one has a zipper in the front. So we're going to start with the zippered pocket here. I always just keep my lip products in here, my go-tos and a chapstick, and usually whichever shade that I'm wearing for the day will also go in there. And in this slip pocket here, I just have my wallet. I don't have anything in this pocket right now, but I do want to show you guys that it is actually pretty roomy. I can get this bottle in there just fine. It slides down, no problem. It's not tight. I didn't have to wiggle it in. It wasn't forceful. It fits really nicely. I'm glad that it's roomier than I remember it to be. And then on the opposite side, that pocket just has my phone. And attached to the D-ring there, I just have my keys. I like to clip it there for easy access. And then let's get to the inside of the bag. It opens around this half moon shape. And you guys, I really like that about this bag. It folds back and it allows you to see everything on the inside. And that makes it super nice and easy to get everything. You don't have to dig, you can see it all in there. So we're gonna just start with this center. Here I just have my daughter's pull-ups. There's 2 in here, a disposable changing pad and some baggies. And in this pouch, I just have her snacks. And that's all I have in the center there. And you can see the bag in the back, there's a large slip pocket similar to the front, and it also has that zipper as well. And in the front, there's 2 slip pockets and 2 slip pockets on the side. So I'm gonna show you guys that back slip pocket first. In there, I just have my wipes case. And this wipes case is the one that I made. So if you guys wanna check it out, I did make a video on how I made this. And in that zippered pocket right there, I just keep extra baggies. And let's move on to the front pockets, the 2 here. So in that one, I just keep tissues, a granola bar for myself, just in case I get hungry, and hand sanitizer. And beside that pocket is another little pouch here. And in this one, I just keep all of my restaurant needs. So utensils, little notepads and crayons and stickers, things like that to keep them busy while we're in a restaurant. And the side pocket, there is a sippy cup. Now, this bottle can fit on the outside, but I like to keep it on the inside. I just like the way the bag looks better when there aren't any pockets on the outside. And these pockets are actually quite big and roomy. I can fit this in the inside pocket as well. I do like that. The inside material, as you can see, is the same faux leather as the outside. It does make the pouches a little bit thicker, but it's still roomy. I can fit things in there just fine. They slide in and out easily. It's not that difficult to pack up this bag just using the slip pockets on the inside. And there you guys have it. That's all that I have in my bag right now. You guys, this bag is really nice. The quality is incredible. And yes, the bag is kind of heavy, and especially with the inside not having like a nylon material, it's also faux leather. It does add on a little bit of weight to the bag. And you know, after it's packed, it can be heavy. It can be a little bit heavy, but that doesn't bother me at all. It actually doesn't strain my shoulders or hurt my back. It's not an issue. So it's not a deal breaker for me. I still really enjoy using the bag, and I couldn't recommend it enough. If you guys were thinking about getting the fawn, I think it's worth the money, but to each their own. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. If you guys have any additional questions, you can leave them down below and I'll try to answer them for you. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.